go sell flowers for Uncle Ed.
Okay. Yeah, just pretend like you.
Would you like a rose?
Sure. Hey, wanna come to my hotel room? What? No? Man? What?
Uncle Ed.
What is it, my little Susu?
Today some guy asked me to go to his hotel room with him.
Oh, it'll be okay. Next time you are to go though, okay? And don't forget, I'll always be watching you, so nothing bad will happen.
Okay. I don't know what the hell Uncle Ed's thinking. I won't go up to these hotel rooms with these creeps. They ain't my typical gorilla juice head type. You know what I'm saying?
Hi. Would you like to come to my hotel room?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Stand here. Get on your knees. So, I almost fucked her, man. I was so close. The things I would do to this beautiful young girl. Oh, so close. So close. But then this Uncle N guy, whoever the hell he is, he came and he take her and take all my money. And now I just don't know what to do. I want to fuck the shit out of this girl. She was so beautiful. Well.
See, I told you I would always be watching you. Oh, I'm so sneaky. Oh my god, what up? That's how I get my money, yo!
I don't really have to talk.
Excuse me, ma'am, would you like a flower? Would you like a flower? Okay. So I have this new job. I need to go around selling flowers. Like, what the hell? Man, do you see this? Like, no one wants to buy flowers off of this thing. Like, seriously. You know what's whack, too? Now they want to sell me to the pimps that call me Melon Bum. Like, come on. I need to find a way to get away. I don't know how, man. I don't know how. Gotta think this through. Sis, like, I can't sell anything. It's okay, just keep trying. Can you help me? Here, give me half. Here. Okay. You, man, it's a black tooth. You're beautiful just the way you are. Sis, like, I'm done. I'm done with this. Take this. Where are you gonna go? I don't know. But take care. I love you.